Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello brothers, hello friends. Today we'll practice something new and related to casting and converting from one type to another type in C Sharp. You can count this as a continuation of lecture 5 and 6. Um, but today we're not going to do it through the console application. We'll do it through Windows 4 application. So let's head to C Sharp and open new project, and you can type here form to get the Windows Form application. So write age calculator, and as soon as you click finish, then you will get this Windows this form. We have toolbox where we can put our components on the form, and also we have the properties where we can manage these components and play with the font and other stuff related to that. So if you click on this, it will be freezed, bent, and same the situation for the toolbox. We need them bent now because we want to play around here and there. So what we need here, actually, we need to have these components. We need to have a text box, and we need to have a button, and we need to have a label. The user will feed here his year of birth, and clicking the button, then he get the result. So how to do this? Let's go to toolbox and select text box from here, drag and drop, and select a label. Okay, let's work on same sequence order. Button, then we'll go to the label. If you press on Control and press on by using the left button in your mouse, you will highlight all together, and you can, because they have some they have some common features they used to you can manage together at the same time. So in this case, now we can, for example, change the font to something we want, like 12, for example. Okay, so now we can adjust to it. I'm just trying to do it quick, so just to pass the idea to you that there is some fun in C Sharp. We can play with forms and do the same thing we did in the console application. So now let's change this one, the name. Here we write btn button, and here we write txt. It's always good to change the components names to something you know. And this one will say lbl result, and we go to the text here and we write 00, so it will be number. And text align here, right? Just keep it simple. And the button Also, you forgot you can change. The components already, the properties of the components already adjusted to our need. Then we can access the code, whether we can double click on this component, or we can just access it from here through the events on the event of a click. So either way you can do. So you click here, you can go to click event, or you can just double click here. So what do we need here? We need a variable of type int to do the calculation, and we need parsing or using convert. So let's declare a variable int age equals to, the user will feed here his age, so the age will be in this text box. txt but we got an error that string cannot be implicitly converted to integer. So that's why we need to make convert. So what we will go to do here, convert to N16. As we said before in the lectures, that it's good for you to understand what memory do you want to use in your program. So short is enough for such field. Integer is bigger than short, so in this case we use int16. Okay. Now we want this age or this year which entered in the text box to be displayed after some calculation into the label. So what we'll say label result dot text equal to let's say 2021 minus age. Close that. But now we are in the opposite. Before we convert from integer to, we convert the string to integer. Now we want to convert the label to text. So I mean the result which will occur here, want to convert it to string. So what we'll do, we'll say convert dot using this method to string, and close that. So here we convert to string. Here we convert from string to int. Okay, now let's jump to our form and try the program. So click on start. Okay, so what is that? Now let's do 1999. Click. Oh, 99 minus 2021 equals to 22. So this was how we can use the forms to do the same idea of converting. I just wanted to show you that whatever you do in the console, you will use it in the forms when we go to do some other projects. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you next.